All right, we got Big John out here for the project, which is working on the woodshed. Unfortunately, the wood has fallen over. And I mean, it's not hard to figure out why. It's sort of tilted. The wood tilted over because this mesh it's on is all bent. It can't handle the weight. You can see it's just flimsy. So I didn't build this, although this is a really nice woodshed, I must say. Quite long. Does a great job of drying out the wood. But here, if we go to a section, it's mesh on top of cinder blocks, but the mesh isn't actually strong enough to hold up the wood, which you can see based on, well, the amount of deflection it gets. I need to do something different. My first thing to do is just to move the wood off and probably get rid of the mesh. How are you doing, little guy?
I can hop on the backhoe.
You gonna hop in the backhoe?
Yeah.
All right, I'll help you just a minute. Apparently the video wasn't working, so we missed videoing moving all this firewood. Not sure quite what happened, but hopefully we get to video this one. All right, well, we got this all painted. Painted it the color of the house, color of the barn. Hard to see maybe. But yeah, primed, painted. Now, I just want to add just a tad bit more dirt. I just want to build up in the middle here, just a tad bit, get a little bit more even, and just so the water doesn't rest there. Good, we painted it. The carpenter bees were enjoying themselves a little bit too much. Fortunately, I don't think we have any structural damage. Also, these cross braces we put in, they really made it stronger. Now it's a little hard to move it. Yeah, it's still tacky. Painted it on Saturday. It's Monday now. Ground's a tad bit wet. We'll see how we do spreading it. Yeah, when I was grading and scooping it out, I smacked the windshield on the roof of the woodshed and gave it a good crack. Thank goodness for laminated glass, otherwise I would have had a lap full of glass shards. Oh my goodness. Yep. Alright, I ought to spread this out by hand a little bit. Oh boy. Clay! Wet clay! Alright, time to put some edging in. Hold the stones. I got Edge Pro. Because it's narrow, it's like 2 inches tall. I don't have to dig it in.
I don't know, I don't want to come out. Or we could just do more little stakes.
Alright, we got some stone, 2B Pocono Red. I'm going to try to scoop it out of the trailer. Well, it sort of works. Well, at the end of the day, I just dumped it. It was too much hassle to scoop it out of the dump trailer anyway. And I also found out then that our mulch place delivers for like 30 bucks. So I think I'm just done with that dump trailer. That's too much work. Okay. Looking good.
Yep.
All right. Well, that is the finished product. Those red stones actually accent the red of the woodshed, I feel like. I found you, Asher.
I come in scratch. That's you.
Yeah. That's very
You
nice.
find the backhoe?
Yep. We were using the backhoe this day.
And in the house? In the house?
Yeah, we were using the backhoe. We're working on the woodshed. How's it going, Bennett?
Look at me. Good.
Good.
Ah! Again. Ah!
Okay.
That's how I learned to fly on me.
Yeah. No, thank you, Asher.
I
No
broke
more.
it off right now.
Thank you.
Ah!